Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my Hobonichi cousin that I use as my everyday planner as well as my journal. And this week I will be using the winter collage circles from Create with Mandy, as well as some of the cool abstract stickers from According to Allie. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is try to figure out how I want to use these, or how I want to place them around the spread, and if I want to add some of this Simply Gilded washi. So first one I'm going to place down like, I feel like I have an appointment. Just do it. Okay, and then maybe I'll place the smaller one on this side. Oops, there we go. Yeah, I think I'm gonna add a little bit of washi to that, if I can find the end of it. I went through a phase, maybe like a year and a half ago, where I wanted to buy all the washi. And I go through my phases where I just want to get all the washi, and then once I've collected a whole bunch, I'm like, oh, maybe I don't need all the washi. I wanted to use this weekend banner from a leftover Let's Plan It kit, which fits perfectly here. I like it. Okay, then I want to actually add some of these circles because I think they're really cute. I feel like that's too Christmassy. This one is just like a nice cup of coffee. Oh, I like that. It's wintry. It is winter. It's still winter here. Like, the temperature today is minus 15 Celsius. And funny enough, we had really nice weather up to basically yesterday. So I'm gonna place this one. I was gonna place it down here, but I feel like I'm gonna place it there. Let's grab my scissors. I'm gonna cut just like so. Try not to think too hard about how I'm gonna cut it. I just wanna make sure that I have enough room to write meals down here. And place it one on that side. And then the other on that side. Love it. And then place this one here. Oh, I really like that. And then a bit of the gray washi on the other side. Ugh. You know what? I feel like I should have reversed that. Is that gonna lift up? Oh, yes. So put this on this side. And the reason that I'm doing that is because there's already washi on that page. I want to even it out a little. Oh, I like it. I like it a lot. So now in this corner, I will use this one. And then add this. How pretty. Just drop it down. Oh, I love it. Okay, I need to make sure I have enough for my daily journal. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, doable. And then all of these as well. Perfect. Oh, I really like that so far. Really simple. So now I'm gonna go ahead and zoom into the sidebar. So the sidebar is where I keep track of my sleep score. And I have noticed that recently I have not been doing well with that. So I'm going to use actually some of my love letter swatches or my orchid swatches. I think the orchids one will match really well. And I draw a graph here where I measure out how many hours of sleep I get, as well as my sleep score. And the last few weeks, I'm only averaging about 5.5 to 6 hours of sleep, and my sleep scores not really been that much over 80%, which isn't great. And then I don't know if I'm going to start working out. What I also want to track though is whether or not I'm actually doing my stretches or how often I need to do my exercises to help with my shoulder. What I think I'm going to do is actually track it here. So Monday, my goal is to do it 4 times a day: Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Normally I would track how many steps, but I do want to track how the exercises are going, and I will use my clean color dot to just mark in 4. And if there is enough room with a very fine fountain pen, maybe I'll write down my steps on the side. We'll see how that goes. Then moving to the bottom of the spread where I brush letter in the word meals Monday through Sunday, and then I use my paint swatches as headers, and this is where I keep track of my meals that I'm eating on a day-to-day basis. And even though I am practicing intuitive eating, it's still good for me to be aware of what I am eating, but not tracking it to the extent that I was before. Now I'm going into each day and marking off my work shifts. This is going to be the last week that I'm going to be doing a 5-day work week. I am very, very excited for that. So I brush letter in the word work and then draw out the hours of my shifts using my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen. And then I use my swatches from Orchids or my love letters to highlight the word work. So now that that is done, I'm going to locate my pen and start filling in things that I need to do. So Monday evening, or really Monday anytime, I meal plan and I order groceries. I do this every week, but I still need a reminder to be able to do it. And then Tuesday, put out garbage. And it needs a cute emoji. So this photo album is, or this sticker album is from According to Allie. I will leave a link to her shop in the description below. I have an affiliate link with her actually, so if you use the code Karina10, you can get 10% off this sticker album, but also any of the stickers in her shop. Then Thursday, I have acupuncture that day. So let's do, how do I want to do this? 8 o'clock acupuncture with Kate. Then my husband has to pick up the groceries on Thursday evening. Let's find another cute sticker here. Yes, I love these ones from Paper Bits Co. So cute. Ah, where'd it go? That flew off screen. Ooh, let's not mark anything else. So pick up groceries. I actually like the mix of this Teranishi Opera Rose because you can see some of that color here, some of that color here. So I like the mix of the different ink in here. Then Friday is filming. Where is my filming? There we go. Actually, I'm gonna use the gray one from Paper Bits Co. I like these mini icons from Paper Bits Co. and Planner Monkey Co. You know, why did I choose pink? I wanted to choose the gray. My brain sometimes. Alrighty. So this, I have to film a few things actually. I'll be filming my weeks and my cousin, and I think I'm due to film my currently inked, but I'll probably do it sometime during the week rather than on that specific day, because then the currently inked has to come out on this Saturday. I mean, I literally could film it at any time during the week if I wanted to. Maybe I'll just write it down and then I'll check it off if it is done. Inked. Then Saturday. Gosh, what is the schedule on Saturday? And I already made a mistake. So I realized I booked something. Oh my God. On this day. And forgot about it because I just did it today. That's gone. And I'm going to use my, where is it? My correction tape. It was there. Oh my goodness. Literally using it earlier and now it is gone. Hold on. It was right next to me the whole time. So I'm gonna write that out. And I'm actually gonna add whiteout to the spot that was already whited out, but just to add some extra thickness to the paper, I'm going to add in actually a box to kind of cover up my little mistake, because it'll be hard to write on that with fountain pen. I have a gray. I think I have a gray box. Yes, I do. Thing is, it's not going to take up that whole time, but I'll put it down anyway. So I was supposed to have a blood donation appointment Saturday, this Saturday, but as you can see, it's been changed to lunch. So I rescheduled it for that day. I'm going to take my pilot Kakuna. Wow, my brain is functioning. 9:30 blood donation. And then work will start underneath. Yeah. Gotcha. Oh boy. So I'll put another one of these down if I can find my scissors. And try and cut these down to a single paint swatch versus a double. Okay. There we go. All right, and the reason that I moved the blood donation to the Friday rather than the Saturday is because Saturday I have a massage. Yes, I have a massage on February 4th at 9 a.m. Which I love my massages. No other plans for that day that I know of yet, except, where is it? Oh, you know what? I really should use this girl, but I feel like she's too big to fit into my planner now. Ah, there we go. So let's use some Coffee Monsters Co. laundry. Yes, fold laundry. Fold laundry. And then Sunday, Henry has Ninja from 11:30 to 12:30. And then from 1:30 to 3 o'clock, Henry has wall climbing. Perfect. All right. That is all that I need to put in here for now. I don't think I need to put anything else in. So let's just have a quick tidy. Okay, so there is my overall finished spread, and I actually really like that. It feels wintry without being Christmassy, and winter in Canada lasts until even as late as April, so yeah. All right, if you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget, I do have an affiliate link for According to Ali, and you can use code Karina10 for 10% off. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.